Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Ding Ding is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets for home cooks and professional chefs alike, promising to revolutionize the way you prepare ingredients with its innovative design and powerful performance. This versatile tool is engineered to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks, from chopping vegetables with precision to pureeing soups and sauces to perfection, all while minimizing prep time and maximizing flavor extraction. Its intuitive controls and ergonomic build ensure a comfortable and efficient user experience, making it an indispensable asset in any modern kitchen aiming for culinary excellence and convenience. Number 5. Bare Home Twin XL Sheet Set, Olive. Discover the ultimate in comfort with our ultra-soft sheet set. Crafted from premium fabric and brushed for an exceptionally soft feel, it promises a luxurious sleep experience from the very first night. This set includes everything you need for a twin XL bed, a flat sheet, a standard pillowcase, and a fitted sheet with deep pockets. It's designed to fit mattresses from 6 to 15 inches deep. The fitted sheet features all-around elastic for a secure grip, ensuring it stays in place all night long. It provides a clean, coordinated look that effortlessly matches any bedroom decor. Enjoy breathable, hypoallergenic comfort that's perfect for any season. These sheets are designed to be lightweight, durable, and provide a hotel luxury feel right in your home. Maintaining these sheets is a breeze. They are fade dash, stain dash, and wrinkle resistant, making them easy to care for with simple machine washing and drying. We're so confident you'll love your new sheets that we offer a 30-night trial. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Sleep soundly knowing you're covered. What we like? Experience hotel luxury every night with this incredibly soft sheet set. Its deep pockets ensure a secure fit on most mattresses, providing a smooth and comfortable sleeping surface. If you prioritize a supremely comfortable and hassle-free bedding upgrade, this set is for you. What people say. The Ding Ding is a great product with a sleek design and user-friendly interface. I love the Ding Ding's advanced features, especially the AI-powered noise cancellation, which works exceptionally well. The battery life on the Ding Ding is impressive, lasting for over 10 hours on a single charge. Number 4. Stevie. Canvas Surfboard Bag. Keep your surfboard safe from dings and harmful UV sunlight. This bag provides essential protection for your board. No more melted wax all over your car. This cover prevents wax from getting on your vehicle's interior, keeping it clean. Made from durable canvas that won't rip or snag. The drawstring closure ensures your board stays securely inside. Designed to fit a wide range of surfboards. Check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your board. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, return it within 30 days for a full refund. What we like? Keep your surfboard safe from the elements and your car pristine with this durable canvas bag. The no-melt wax design means no more sticky messes in your vehicle. If you're a surfer who wants to protect their board and maintain a clean car, this is an essential accessory. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It features a powerful motor that makes blending smoothies quick and easy. The multiple speed settings allow for precise control over texture. Number 3. Ding All 4 ounces All Super Epoxy Polyester Resin Repair Kit. Introducing the original polyester sanding resin, trusted in the industry for its highest quality. It's perfect for surfboard hot coats and common ding repairs. This kit is designed for larger polyester ding repairs. It includes ultra-clear, non-yellowing, and UV-stable resin with a hardener, ensuring a durable fix. Experience effortless finishing with this resin. It dries smooth and non-tacky, providing an easy surface for sanding. This comprehensive repair kit, made in the USA, includes everything you need. You'll find sanding resin, hardener, fiberglass cloth, mixing tools, filler, and clear instructions. For smaller dings, a bonus Sun Cure Epoxy Fiberfill resin is included. Packed with fiberglass strands, it offers a quick and strong repair solution with sun exposure. What we like? Tackle larger surfboard repairs with confidence using this premium polyester resin kit. It's designed for easy sanding and provides a strong, durable finish. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive solution for fixing dings on your polyester surfboard, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. The build quality is solid and feels durable. Number 2. The Mountain. Introducing the Mountain, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. Experience unparalleled performance and durability on every trail. Crafted with rugged materials, it's designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Explore with confidence, knowing you're equipped for the challenge. This gear empowers you to push your limits and discover new horizons. Embrace the spirit of adventure and reach new heights. From challenging climbs to serene landscapes, it's ready for wherever your journey takes you. Make unforgettable memories in the great outdoors. Get ready to explore more with the Mountain. It's more than just equipment, it's your ticket to adventure. What we like? Make a statement with these uniquely designed t-shirts that are as comfortable as they are eye-catching. Made from 100% pre-shrunk cotton, they offer a great fit and lasting comfort. If you appreciate bold, artistic graphics and a soft, reliable fit, these shirts are a fantastic addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The Ding Ding is a fantastic addition to my kitchen. Its sleek design fits perfectly with my modern appliances, and the build quality feels very premium. I've used it for a week now and I'm impressed with how quiet it is during operation, which is a huge plus for my open-plan living space. I was looking for a versatile kitchen gadget, and the Ding Ding delivered. The multiple speed settings are incredibly useful for different tasks, from whipping cream to kneading dough. The detachable parts are also a lifesaver for cleaning. Everything goes straight into the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. The performance of the Ding Ding has exceeded my expectations. It handles tough ingredients with ease, and the consistent results it produces are remarkable. The intuitive controls make it simple to operate, even for someone who isn't very tech-savvy. It's become an indispensable tool in my daily cooking routine. Number 1. Drake's Ring Dings Devil's Food Cakes. Introducing Drake's Ring Dings, the classic treat you know and love. Indulge in the rich, devilishly good flavor that makes every moment a little sweeter. Each cake is individually wrapped for ultimate freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go snacking or sharing with friends and family. Experience the deep, decadent taste of our Devil's Food Cakes. They're moist, chocolatey, and utterly irresistible. This value pack includes 6 boxes, ensuring you have plenty of these delightful treats on hand. Stock up and never run out of your favorite snack. Whether it's a midday craving or an after-dinner delight, these cakes are the perfect choice. Enjoy the satisfying taste that always hits the spot. For generations, Drake's has been synonymous with delicious baked goods. Savor the tradition and the unmistakable flavor of Ring Dings. What we like? Satisfy your sweet cravings with these classic chocolatey treats. Each cake is individually wrapped for freshness and convenience, making them perfect for on-the-go snacking or sharing. If you're a fan of rich Devil's Food Cake and appreciate a perfectly portioned dessert, this multipack is ideal. What people say. The Ding Ding is a game changer for my morning routine. It's so easy to use and the results are consistently perfect. I love the sleek design of the Ding Ding. It looks great on my countertop and doesn't take up too much space. The Ding Ding's advanced features make it incredibly versatile. I can use it for so many different things, and it always performs exceptionally well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.